Hello everyone. Welcome to channel Nitrix. Retroid Pocket 2S arrives as new budget gaming handheld with Hall effect joysticks in 6 launch colors. Retroid has released the Retroid Pocket 2S, a compact gaming handheld with a 3.5-inch display and a Unisoc Tiger T610 chipset. Available with 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, the Retroid Pocket 2S also has Hall effect joysticks, runs Android 11, and is available for under $100. Retroid is now selling the Retroid Pocket 2S, a gaming handheld that it has been teasing throughout this month. As the image below shows, the Retroid Pocket 2S comes in 6 colors, all with the same specifications. From this new video, we can see that the Retroid Pocket 2 and 2 Plus have undergone a bit of a makeover with this latest device, with the D-pad having now been moved above the left analog stick. The D-pad also appears to be more similar in construction to that seen on the Retroid Pocket 3 than previous versions of the Retroid Pocket 2. And there are also now 2 new buttons near the top of the screen. The screen dimensions, however, will remain the same. For reference, the gaming handheld measures 155 by 80.6 by 28 mm and weighs 200 g regardless of the color chosen. According to Retroid, a Unisoc Tiger T610 chipset sits at the heart of the Retroid Pocket 2S with 2 ARM Cortex-A75 CPU cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Another 6 Cortex-A55 cores running at the same clock speed and a Mali G52 MC2 GPU pegged to 614 MHz. Additionally, Retroid pairs the low-power chipset with a 4000 mAh battery and a 3.5-inch touchscreen that operates at 60 Hz and 640 by 480 pixels and a 4:3 aspect ratio. Moreover, the Retroid Pocket 2S ships with Android 11 and will be provided with incremental software upgrades. However, it remains to be seen whether Retroid plans to deliver any major OS updates. The Retroid Pocket 2S is orderable now with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage for $99. Alternatively, Retroid sells a 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage variant for $119.